Alright, well, now that I'm somewhere where it's not super crowded, I'll do this weird style walk around, just testing my new GoPro. The car's super dirty. I also don't know if you can hear me or not. Yeah, it's on some Model 5s, Advan Model 5s. 18 by 10 in the rear and 18 by 9 in the front. It's like plus 19 in the rear and then plus, I forgot, like 30 something, but it's got a spacer on the front. Got this GTR replica bumper, so it goes good. I haven't painted it yet because I don't know, I kind of like it white. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do what I was planning on doing. Oh yeah, interior, yeah. That's pretty basic. So, I gotta take this off. Yeah, I just bought this bulb because these are the like reverse lights, but I converted this one to be a rear fog light because I figured that would be pretty cool. So I need to get a red bulb. They have some nice LED ones that are red, but they're also like fucking $50 or 40 something dollars. So I just stuck with this little fucking, what is this, like a $5 bulb already. Oh, I need my motherfucking, need this. Yeah, buddy. Hopefully this goes in. It's the right bulb. Sick. Let me so when I turn on that, hey, that's lit. All right, let's see. Yeah, because I already converted all the wiring earlier. I just needed the bulb. So that's pretty legit. Oh shit. Stupid license plate. Hopefully the angle of this GoPro is actually alright. I don't know if you guys can see shit I'm actually looking at or not. My super messy trunk because I pretty much leave everything in this fucking car. Yo, I'll start it up. Since I'm kind of doing a walk around video. Yeah, meh, it works. Let's see that bike. Yo, that's actually pretty fucking sick, yeah. That's pretty dope. Here, let me. Since last time I did one of these walk around things, some people complain I didn't pop the hood open. Yeah. So here's my stupid little RB20 that is idling like shit right now for some reason. Yeah, it's all stock besides the intercooler and intake. Yep, it's pretty basic. I have the centerpiece, it's in the trunk. I just didn't put it on because it was annoying when I was trying to troubleshoot some misfire issues. I had to keep pulling it on and off and on and off, and it was just annoying. Wow, it's really not idling right. That's not cool. Yeah, I got some stupid horns down there. And I'm gonna check something really quick because that's weird. Maybe I'll try boosting the idle up a little bit. Oh, what do you know, dude? This video's turning into more than just a stupid walk around thing. Probably end up not even posting this part because whatever. I have no clue if it's... I don't fucking remember. Looking at me crazy. There. Oh, it's idling better. Hey. It's a little high. But it's alright. It's idling way better, so whatever. Yep. No, it's not. What the fuck? Well, this is fucked. Okay. Thanks. I'm not good at Japanese. Oh no. Like drift? Drift? Hi. Yeah. Yeah, drift. Yeah. Alright. Oh, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Like these mirrors out everywhere for you to like use to turn places. Oh look, it's a kooky. It's a clean ass kooky. Oh, and there's some dude that has like a 180 up there. That's fucking sick. Yeah, I wish I was better at Japanese so I could ask that dude some stuff or like talk to him more. feel bad sometimes. I don't know Japanese and I'm in Japan. It's kind of fucked up to expect them to know some English. It's kind of fucked up of me when I'm coming to their country, you know? Yeah, really though, driving in Japan has a lot of traffic like this, so I'll probably like cut this video short or something, I guess. I don't know, I honestly don't know if you guys can hear me. That would suck this whole time if you guys couldn't hear me. Then I need to get like some type of like mic set up, I guess, that would come down and be by my mouth or something, on my neck, attach it to my shirt. Yep. Oh, this has been